Hello, guys, very good day. I hope you all are doing well today. Once again, welcome to Knowledge Power. Today, we are going to see how we can create our own Facebook page in few steps and quickly. So, without wasting any time, let's go to Facebook. Now, you can see on the right hand side, my picture is there. You can see there is the account option. When you click on that, you will see there is an option of see all profile. Click on that, and then you will see create new profile or pages. So once you click on that, it gives you an option that either you can create your personal profile, another profile also, and then you can connect with the people you want. Like, let's suppose you keep one profile for your personal use, one profile for your work. And now we have the option to create a public page where you can see, like you will have a page where you can grow it and you can get some business out of it. So you click on that, click next. Now it gives you a few things that if you go through, that will be good. Let's get started. So here I need to enter the name of my page that I want to keep it. I already copy pasted it. I've already copied it for you to save time. Let's suppose that's for technology, information technology company. You can say that. Here is a small bio that what do we do. We have mentioned a small thing that what we do. Of course, we can make changes later on. I'm just doing it quickly in order to save your time so you can easily understand it, how we can do it and finalize it. Let's see what it happens on the next page. It is just loading now. Now it gives you an option to write the address. You can note down your address of your page, your phone number, your email address, your location, your town, and everything that you are having. You don't have any hours, you can do it. You can click on next, and then it gives you an option to add up the photo there. So you can add up your photo that you're having. I have that here, so I just added it. Now it asks me to enter the cover photo. I just add this one. You can choose any you want, that's not a big deal. Now you can see I need to adjust it accordingly. I think it's good now, no problem. And after that I can also add the action button. I'll make it, let me see what options are there. I'm just going to do it send message. I'll let it be like this, or watch now. That is good. Now we go down, we click on next. We need to add our link. I don't have any link now. Let me choose another option. Contact us, send email message, start message. This is the best option now. Okay, I do it. Now you can see my page is ready. I hope you guys like this video today, and it's quite simple. Now you have the page, you can do all the amendment that you needed. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.